Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Aprilia RS 457. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this bike is set to make waves in the sport bike market. Let's take a closer look at what makes the RS 457 a standout choice for riders. Design and aesthetics. The RS 457 boasts a modern and aggressive look, featuring sharp lines and an aerodynamic body that not only looks good but enhances performance. The full LED lighting system ensures visibility and adds a touch of sophistication. Available in a range of striking colors, the RS 457 is sure to turn heads. Engine and performance. The RS 457 is powered by a 457cc parallel twin engine, delivering a thrilling ride with an output of around 47 horsepower. This engine is paired with a smooth 6-speed transmission, allowing for quick gear changes and responsive acceleration. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding roads, the RS 457 promises an exhilarating experience. Technology and features. Aprilia has equipped the RS 457 with advanced technology. The digital dashboard provides essential information at a glance, including speed, revs, and gear position. Plus, the bike features ride-by-wire throttle, allowing for precise control. Traction control and multiple riding modes enhance safety and adaptability, making this bike suitable for a variety of conditions. Suspension and handling. The RS 457 comes with a fully adjustable front fork and a rear monoshock, providing excellent stability and comfort. The lightweight chassis contributes to agile handling, making it easy to maneuver through tight corners. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, you'll appreciate the confidence this bike inspires. Conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is a remarkable blend of style, performance, and technology. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and stunning design, it's a bike that's sure to impress. If you're in the market for a sport bike that delivers on every front, the RS 457 should definitely be on your radar. Call to action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Aprilia RS 457. Thanks for joining BikeZone.